Looking for mobile homes and manufactured homes plumbing, heating and drain services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialise in fast, reliable plumbing and heating solutions designed specifically for mobile and manufactured homes. When winter hits Sherwood Park, frozen pipes, clogged drains and heating failures can cause serious problems. Unlike traditional homes, mobile homes have unique plumbing and heating systems that require specialised expertise. That's where we come in. Our team provides expert repairs, water heater services, and emergency heating solutions, ensuring your home stays warm, safe, and fully functional year-round. Whether you need drain cleaning, furnace repairs, or frozen pipe thawing, we're available 24/7 to help. Don't wait for a plumbing emergency. Keep watching to see why homeowners trust Kingstree Plumbing for the best mobile homes and manufactured homes, plumbing, heating and drain services in Sherwood Park.